Yo, what is up, everyone? So I was recently working with someone and they were moving a semantic model from one workspace to another. One workspace was development, one was production, and there were two different server names. One was server 1 for the SQL server and one was server 2 for the SQL server. And when they moved it from server 1 to server 2, they updated all the connections, but they still saw the connection to the development server, server 1, when they went to go set up the refresh. And they were like, how do I get rid of this? And I was like, enough of all this talking. You know how we like to do? Let's head over to my laptop. So I have a semantic model that I've created. You can see I have 5 tables here. And if I go to category and choose source, you can see that my server starts with a T. I won't try to read the name. It's a Fabric SQL database. If I go to customer, go to source, same thing. If I go to product, go to source, same thing. And FactSale, same thing. But if I go to dim date and I go to source, it is a little different. And when I publish the report out to the service, and we're going to go over into the workspace, and I went to go and configure it for refresh, I saw 2 different connections. This is my production connection, and this is my development connection. You're like, well, how do you get rid of this, Patrick? Well, you can actually go into Power BI Desktop. So I'm in my Power BI Desktop, and you can do this from the report view or in Power Query. So I'm in Power Query, and you can go into data source settings, and you can choose that data source. You can right click on it and clear it. But before you clear it, you need to fix it. And so this particular source is pointing to my development server. I'm going to go ahead and update this. So let me get the updated credentials. And there's this really cool feature that I want to show. If I go back to my SQL database, if I go open in SQL Server Management Studio, it gives me a nice little window with my connection information. So I don't have to go hunting around for it. So I'm going to replace, and then I'm going to copy my database name, and I'm going to click OK. And once I click OK, if I go back to data sources, it's gone, right? I click close and apply. It's going to do its magic on the dim date table. And then what I'll need to do is publish this. I'm going to publish, I got to save it, of course. And then I'm going to publish this out to the service. Let's see if this was in my perf. Yep. Let's select. It's going to say, hey, do you want to overwrite? Absolutely, overwrite. Once it's done publishing, head back to your workspace, and I'm going to go into that workspace, open up my semantic model, the settings, and then you'll see there's only a single connection there. So what you need to do before you publish your semantic models out, you should go and check. So like I said, you can do it in Power Query or the desktop. You can go to transform and go to data source settings and see how many connections you have. Sometimes it may just surprise you. You may have multiple connections and you're not using them, or you don't realize that you haven't switched over, or maybe there's some case sensitivity. All right, what do you think? You got any questions? You got any comments? You know what to do. Post it in the comments below if you want to learn more about Fabric, Power BI. There's probably a video flying above my head. And as always, from Adam, Martha, and this guy, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.